Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you to everyone who is watching this video. I want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel and those who will be subscribing after watching this video. So today's video is very different, as y'all see in the title. Yes, I have not gotten my hair straightened in over 2 years now. I definitely get my hair trimmed. I do deep conditions. I was really focused on doing natural hair tutorials and makeup tutorials. Now I'm mainly sticking to makeup tutorials, but I'm like, you know what? Everybody needs to know about hair and everybody needs to know about what to do, because I'm telling you right now, this is a mess. Okay, this is a mess. But it's like my hair doesn't feel dry right now, but it definitely felt dry like a few days ago. Some things I can say about my hair. My hair has grown significantly. Yes, my hair has grown like so much in the past, like I would say 4 or 5 months. I've kept my hair in braids, twists, instant ponytails. Like I am doing very little to my hair. A few things that I've noticed about my hair is that it shreds very easily, and I thought like that, like at the time, like I would say maybe May, that my hair was shredding because I wasn't treating it right, or this is literally just the type of hair that I have. So my hair can be very strong, but also can be very weak, if that makes sense. So I literally will just put in a puff like this throughout the week. If it's the weekend, I will go up and beyond and twist it and make it look nice, but for the most part, this is kind of what my hair looks like. Okay, so right now I'm heading to Gloria's beauty center, and this is in Allston, like the Brighton area. A friend of mine brought me to this place maybe 2 years ago when I first straightened and cut my hair. So now I'm back and we're gonna see how this goes, but I'm heading there now, so stay tuned. So right now I just signed in. This is my camera's dying. We're gonna see how much we get. If not, I'll just switch to my phone, and I'm gonna hang up my coat. She's like, I'll take it over. So now I am getting my hair deep conditioned so that this is easy to comb through and basically straighten. My skin looks so bad right now, but I'm excited. So this is a hair mask, and then again, getting a deep condition needed. Okay, so now I'm sitting underneath the blow dryer. I love this part. It's not necessarily like a silk press, but this is kind of like the deep conditioning process. So kind of using this to store the heat and the moisture. Maybe 15 minutes. So yeah, so I'm underneath the dryer for about 15 minutes. It's on medium right now, so it's not like blazing hot. But yeah, we coming along. Okay, so my hair is finished washing, conditioning. It feels so soft. I don't want to touch it because my hands are dirty, but yeah. We're watching Romeo's, what is it, Santana? Santo Domingo. Dominican Republic. In the Dominican Republic. good. We got a free concert for everybody. Free concert from November 15th. He's going to, so he's going to 15 states and Santo Domingo for free. That's all. Literally, we just cut it. Cut it all off. Okay, so I'm officially free. So my hair took about 2 hours. Like, I went in there at 5 o'clock. I am just now leaving. It is 7 o'clock. I actually do like my hair. I am sad because I gotta recant what I said earlier. I would like my hair to be longer, but it seems like this is it. Gang, this is it. Because I wet my hair a lot and I wear different styles, and it's just like sometimes I neglect my hair, so it's like cut it all off. But she's like, I should be cutting my hair twice a year, and probably professionally, because I definitely be doing my own little stunts. But I feel like Summer Walker's little sister. That's how I feel right now. Like, I'm her little sister with this freaking haircut. But it's okay. It's okay. I told her I'll be back in like 2 weeks. So she washed my hair, deconditioned my hair. She then blew it out. And then she straightened it. And then after she straightened it, she curled it. I know a lot of heat. But then she wrapped it with the saran because I wanted like a silk press in a way. And that is kind of semi-silk press, what she did. But let me turn my light on. And this is my hair. So my hair has a lot of bounce, so you definitely know that it's healthy. It's cut pretty even. Like, I just feel like it just every time I turn my head, it's moving. But I'm happy. I'm very pleased. So, yeah. But again, I want to say shout out to Gloria, because she knew I was going for this Summer Walker haircut that she had on the Soul Train Awards, looking crazy. But it's cool. Again, you all should be treating your hair. Like, even though I had dead ends, it was like majority of my hair was very healthy. So I'm not gonna do that to myself. Okay. All right. But I want to say thank you to everyone who's watched this video. Please comment below if you have any, questions about the process of getting my hair done. Again, there's no perm or relaxer in my hair at all. I do think I will be cutting my hair closer and closer as I approach an age. I won't tell y'all that right now, but when I get older in age, I know I'm probably gonna cut all my hair off, honestly. There's just no point, but it looks so good. It's healthy. It's a shortcut now, so it's cool. But yes, again, I want to say thank you. I keep getting sidetracked. I want to say thank you to everyone who has watched this video. If you have any questions, please comment below on the process of, why I just cut it all off. And you can let me know if you feel like she cut way too much, because sometimes I feel like that happens. But I don't think she cut way too much. I think she did a really good job tonight. And what else can I say? Yeah, so don't forget to comment, like, and most importantly, subscribe. Click that button. All right, I'll see y'all later. Bye.